Okay, people. Wednesday, August 5th, 2020. Bryn and I, we're going to reunite with our internet friend Nick.
Yes, ma'am.
That's right.
Hi. Well, last year we did a video about the first time meeting him.
Yes, there's a video on my channel of us. There's a video on my channel of us meeting for the first time. That was last summer, around exactly a year ago, I think.
Yeah.
Like a week ago, or a year ago in like a week or something.
So hard, but maybe one day we can break the distance.
I'll link that video in the description and in the cards so you can watch it after you watch this video though. You gotta watch this video first. I also haven't decided if this was gonna be its own video or if it's gonna be just added on to my other internet friend video from last week. I made it in its own video, last week's video, up here in the cards. Go watch after you watch this one. Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just packing up my bag. This is my bag. Charger, some mascara, some cute sunglasses, and I'm gonna have my camera with me and an extra camera battery. Yeah. We're going to see Nick. So we're going to see Nick and we're on our way. Yay! So yesterday we had a tornado in our town and we're trying to drive onto the island. It's crazy. We made it on the island. The damage is definitely not as bad here as it was off the island. They looked at me like I was crazy. We made it on the island and now we're gonna go meet Nick again. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Reminder that as per city ordinance, feeding the seagulls and other wildlife is strictly prohibited for the health and safety of both the animals.
Oh my god. Hi guys. Hi.
We're playing mini golf. Show off. Mariah Carey. Yes.
Of course. Dude, he's so cute.
Okay, but Harry, love of my life.
Only you knew.
Oh. Okay, we haven't vlogged in a while.
Oh.
We haven't vlogged in a while. It's like, so we made plans to meet up tomorrow, so you'll be seeing us again tomorrow. That didn't happen because it rained. Yeah. Can we take a thumbnail?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I know what we can remake. What? Ready?
I'm scared.
Oh!
Stop it
I'm
right
gonna
now.
insert the footage from last year.
Clouds, will you please help me out? I need to.
Okay.
I gotta take off my rings. Hold on, this is getting serious.
I'm gonna take off my
Take my phone out of my pocket. Can I just make a montage of us just doing that? Okay, great. Why is it blurry? There we go. That probably was all blurry.
Is it focusing?
Yeah. Are you a beauty guru showing off a beauty product?
These $25,000 Gucci glasses.
Are they actually Gucci?
No, they were for like $4.
I was gonna say, oh, you know that?
Is that a bow and arrow?
TikTok trend. It goes like this.
Why does your stomach feel good?
You like
Your stomach. Feel it right there.
Look at our view right now.
I like the view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best now.
Me.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Ah.
Our lookbook coming August of 2021. We should do the Vogue background thing. Period.
Period. What is he doing?
Hi. How are you? Welcome back.
He's
to another
canceled.
video. Yeah.
He goes, yeah.
Sorry. Wanna be the last? I'm just like out of the frame when
Katie, stop.
Rico nasty.
We're in the car now, we left Nick, but we're going back tomorrow.
You stupid. Why didn't you check the weather?
But we both work tomorrow, so we're going after work. Taking more pictures. I'll insert our pictures from tonight now.